Okay. Again, the second question is based on the concept of volume. They are telling कि metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted. मतलब रिकास्ट कर रहे हैं ना, तो तीनों स्फीयर्स को हमने मेल्ट कर दिया टू फॉर्म अ सिंगल सॉलिड एंड वी कन्वर्टेड देम इनटू अ सिंगल स्फीयर. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द रिजल्टिंग स्फीयर. अगेन वी नो दैट कि जब हम कोई चीज रिकास्ट करते हैं या मेल्ट करके कुछ नया बनाते हैं तो वॉल्यूम बिफोर और वॉल्यूम आफ्टर द कन्वर्जन रिमेन्स सेम. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज लेट अस थिंक ऑफ 3 स्फीयर्स. फर्स्ट का रेडियस है 6 centimeter, then sphere second radius is 8 centimeter, then again third sphere radius is 10 centimeter, and they are recasted into a single sphere. Obviously that radius will be big and we don't know, we have to find the radius of that resulting sphere. So the basic concept will start here with the solution according to the question. What is according to the question? Basic concept, we know that volume of sphere, we will name it sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3 is equals to volume of new sphere, which is the resulting sphere. Okay, so new sphere, volume of new sphere. So now what we are going to do, we know the formula. What is the formula? Formula is, we are having the formula for the sphere, we will write it for the spheres. 4 by 3 pi, we have given it one name, so it is r1 plus 4 by 3 pi r2. Okay, and here 4 by 3 pi r3, and here radius ka always it is cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube. I have named it r1. Here it will be cube, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, 4 by 3 pi r3 ka cube. Okay, we have named it different. We can assume it as r1, r2, r3, and then we have to find here 4 by 3 pi, and this is capital R, so r cube. Now you observe it properly. So 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 तीनों जगह, तो we will take it common, so it will become 4 by 3. Then we can see pi, 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 pi. So pi also we can take common. So what it will be left? It will be left as r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. We are trying to make a single equation. This will make our work easy. ये cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, now we will put the value. So we will put the value. So r1 cube means it is 6 cube plus r2 cube it is 8 cube plus it is r3 is 10 cube, and here we want to find the r cube. So r cube, if we will remove the cube sign, so automatically here it will come cube root, and your answer should come only in centimeter because everywhere unit is same. Now we will put the values. Okay, so let's put the value. So here 6 cube we will do, so it will come as 216. It is cube root, so 3 will come here, plus 8 cube is 512 plus 10 cube is 1000, and cube root outside cube root I am writing here. So we will solve, we will add all the 3, so we will get 1 1728 centimeter is equals to r, and when we take out cube root it is 12 centimeter is equals to r. So last line you can write here. Okay, I am writing inside. You can write here. Thus radius of your resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. Understood everyone? You can go through from starting nicely. Metallic spheres, radii they have given 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted. हमने एक नया बनाया इनको मेल्ट करके, सिंगल सॉलिड स्फीयर्स. वी विल ड्रॉ द फिगर, label it, write the measurement which are given. तो 3 spheres recasted into a single sphere. Radius नहीं मालूम है तो we have taken it r. Then we have made a general equation, volume of sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3 is equals to volume of new sphere or resulting sphere. You will put the formulas, take common, maximum thing common लेंगे, cancel करेंगे and then you will solve.